Is that bear meat? This is creepy. Look at this. There's also a bunch of guys looking at the pictures of girls in here. Let's see. No, damn it. Oh, that fucking sucks, dude. Good morning, people. Good morning, people. As you guys know, I am in Japan right now, and Japan is known for a lot of things, with one of them being vending machines. From regular drinks, snacks, to lunch and dinner, and a whole lot of other stuff. When it comes to vending machines, Japan has it all. So in theory, you should be able to live off them, right? Well, today I'm gonna find out, because for the rest of the day, I'll only be living off of vending machines. Right now it's morning and I'm in Shibuya and I could go for some breakfast. There should be a vending machine in Akihabara that sells breakfast. So I'm gonna go there and check it out. So I made it to Akihabara and the vending machine should be right around the corner, so let's check. Is it? Is it actually there? It is, there it is. So this is the vending machine, and this vending machine is owned by this restaurant right here called Niku no Manse. It's loud in here. So I think I'm gonna go for this one, and I think it's that one right there. So. Where's that? There we go. There we go. There we go. And it's actually coming up. There it is. And my change. So I'm gonna find a quieter spot and enjoy the sandwich. I hope it's good. We'll see. I found a nice and quiet spot where I can really enjoy my sandwich. I am not sure what I got. I'm just gonna open it up and see what it is. There you go, unboxing. First look. What a disappointment. Another disappointment. I present to you the sandwich. Looks good. But does it taste good? Guess we'll find out. Oh, this is really good. Oh, I love this. Wow. On a scale of 1 to 10, 11. This is so good. This is from a vending machine as well. Love it. I love it. That was lovely. If you're in Akihabara, get one of these because damn, it was good. Now I'm thirsty, so I think I'm gonna get a drink somewhere from a vending machine. Just walk around the corner over there and look at it right here. Bunch of vending machines. If you're thirsty, no, there's no way you're thirsty in Japan. I think I can go for a coffee actually. There's hot coffee and there's cold coffee, which is from one vending machine. That's cool. I think I'll go for this one. There we go. This one, please. Just like that. Got it. Got the coffee. Yeah, coffee, pretty good. So I had breakfast and a drink. Well, breakfast, it's 1 p.m. It's not really breakfast. So I'm gonna see if there's any weird and interesting vending machines I can find here in Akihabara. We'll see. Speaking about weird vending machines, look at this one. This is a soap vending machine. Yeah, these are actual soap bars. Sick. I've come to a rather interesting spot for vending machines. I'll show you. This is called Horror Vending Machine Alley. This is creepy. Look at this. I'll just check out every vending machine that is here. Starting with this one. I have no idea what these are. There are boxes with text on it. No idea. Down here we have coffee. Panda meat. I don't know. I have no idea. This is that potato? What is it? Dude, I have no idea. Are these dog toys? Oh, and there's like regular drinks. There's cherry something. This is interesting. I kind of want to know what these are. I have no idea what they are. Sumimasen. Do you speak English?
No.
No English? Do you know what these are?
品切れかな
Mystery box. Still don't know what it is. I guess I'll figure it out. But this vending machine, same weird mystery boxes. More coffee and drinks. And the James Bond mini car collecting thing. That's cool. Sweets. Is that bear meat? Is it actually? I think it is. I think it's actually bear meat. Wow, that's crazy. All right, here's just regular drinks. You see them everywhere. Popcorn. Popcorn, that's pretty cool. More drinks and, oh, trains. You guys know what these boxes are?
I think they're like, I don't know, there's stories on them, but I don't really know what's inside.
I'm gonna get one. I
You're
want to
gonna
know.
get one?
Yeah, I want to. It's only 590.
Oh my gosh.
These ones up here only 590. I want to know what's in them.
I want to know too.
Let's find out.
Let's do it.
Oh, there we go.
Ooh.
It's working.
Oh my god.
Monde
Down.
Supreme. We'll find out.
Ugh.
Oh, there we
I
go.
know, it really does.
Got it. Oh.
I don't know,
it's
maybe the
colorful
text
inside.
on the side is important. Oh, what is this?
It is. Yes,
Oh,
cookies.
it looks like animal crackers.
Yeah.
It does.
Sick.
Oh,
Nice.
Wow.
We
Are you
found out-
happy with your
yeah,
purchase?
wow. I'm very happy. I want to thank my mom and my dad. No, this is cool. There's also a letter here. I'll translate it later.
Oh.
Cool. There's random stuff inside.
Nice.
There's also more vending machines back here. Look at how narrow this is. I like barely fit through. Holy shit, this is narrow. And we have more boxes. Probably more candy. Balls, panda stuff, crab crackers. Is that dog food? Bouncy balls. This one seems broken and empty. Nice. This one just be fresh. Let's have a break. Be fresh. It's just and cowbiz. This is nice. I love cowbiz. And popcorn. Yeah, popcorn. I might also get some popcorn. And outside there's one more vending machine. It says passion. Oh, stop AIDS. Okay, it's condoms. Why would you have so many weird I mean I love it, but why is there so many weird vending machines? It's crazy. Alright, so I want to try out these cookies I got. Smells alright. They are they're cookies. They're like crackers. Alright, they're pretty good. Horror vending machine alley. Interesting spot. Nice vending machine. Well, not weird vending machines. I like it. Also, Akihabara is known for these small hallways with a lot of electronics. I'm gonna see if there's vending machines. There's these Gacha machines. They're like kind of vending machines, I guess. You could call them vending machines. That's pretty cool. And there's these electronic shops everywhere. Look at this, I have to duck down everywhere. Otherwise I'll bump my head into stuff. Oh, look at this. This is like a mini shrine. That's dope. Oh, more gacha machines. What's inside of these? Never really looked at them. Oh, the famous squeaky chicken. Yes, yes, I got it. Where is it? In here? Yeah. Got it. Plastic wrap around it. Damn. This sucks. No chicken, I got the egg. Still squeaky though. Bummer. Thought I was gonna get the chicken, but I got the egg. Better luck next time. I was walking around this street and I saw a very interesting looking shop. These are playing cards, but what is this vending machine? There's pictures of girls on it. Figure vending machine. Why is there pictures of girls on it? What is this? What is going on here? What the? Can you like buy pictures of them? What is it? Huh. Definitely interesting. Oh, there's also gacha machines here. Oh, I think it's just pictures, like things with pictures of these girls on there. Who doesn't want to have this girl on their keychain? Or that one? Everybody wants this, right? Interesting. There's also an upstairs. I think I'm just gonna check it out. I'm curious. I wonder. Oh, it says DVD. I might walk into a store. I'm not sure if I can film it in the way. More mystery boxes. Are these safe to show? Yeah, they are. There's also a bunch of guys looking at the pictures of girls in here. No idea what's going on in here. Alright, I'm gonna get out of here because it's not vending machines. I'm on vending machine mission. I'm gonna get out of here. Akihabara, you keep on surprising me. As you can see, the sun is starting to set. I'm getting a little hungry. I think it's time for me to go and find some dinner. I am not sure if I'm actually gonna be able to find dinner because I've seen a lot of vending machines today, but I haven't seen any dinner vending machines. I saw online that there's a ramen vending machine at Ueno station, so I'm gonna go there and see if I can find the ramen vending machine and if I can get some ramen because I'm getting hungry. So time to go to Ueno station.
The next station is Ueno.
Alright, the vending machine should be at, we're near the Shinkansen. Oh, Shinkansen is not this way. I have no idea where it is or where I have to go. Oh, I see food here. Shinkansen, this way. We'll see. I hope it's there. I really hope it's there. I'm hungry. I want to eat. Please be there. Shinkansen, this way. I hope I don't have to get a ticket for the Shinkansen to be able to get the ramen. Oh, I do see gates. Oh, please. It says Shinkansen transfer, but I'm not sure if I have to pay extra or if this even works. Let's see. No, transport systems. Dang it. Dang it. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get there. Oh, that fucking sucks, dude. Where am I gonna get dinner? Am I even gonna get dinner? Oh, I don't know. I went all the way here for nothing. Gonna exit the station and just check out Ueno, I guess. No luck in finding any vending machines that have dinner. Kinda sucks. I think I'll head back to Shibuya and see if I'll have more luck with finding vending machines that have dinner. We'll see. I'm just gonna take a train to Shibuya and we'll see. I made it back to Shibuya. Still no dinner. The search continues. God damn, I want some dinner. Another vending machine. No food, but cigarettes. That's crazy. I do believe you need a special card or driver's license to buy cigarettes from this machine, but pretty cool. So lunch, drinks, snacks, no problem. Girl stickers, no problem. Cigarettes, sure. But dinner? No. No luck with dinner. Why is that? Yeah, of course, I can do a simple Google search and I will definitely find some dinner vending machines. But I kind of want to find them on my own. I want it to be like an actual challenge, an actual search. So I didn't find any dinner. No luck with the vending machines. The only things I got was the sandwich, some drinks. Oh, and my little squeaky egg. So I guess the egg is just gonna be my dinner for today. I'm gonna give up. I'm gonna go to bed without dinner. I'll just have some really nice breakfast tomorrow. And I'm just gonna call it a day. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.